Hi everybody, this is Edifier, back another day with another unboxing. And this time my plan is to do only the unboxing because I actually want your help to do the review part. Because I buy a lot of headphones, I mean at least one pair every month I think. And so my experience with headphones and my criteria with headphones are certainly different from yours. So here I have two sets of headphones. One that I'm planning to give away to one of you to get back to me with your opinions. And then I'm going to compare them with my opinions. So these are pretty special. These are the Edifier, I don't remember the name, Pro or something, NeoBuds Pro. Edifier NeoBuds Pro. And these are actually the world's first high-res certified earbuds. So that's super cool. And then of course we have noise cancelling. I believe that it's 3 microphone noise cancelling per headphone per side, and I believe that there are 3 microphones for phone calls. So the phone calls are supposed to be excellent as well, and noise cancelling should be very good. But most important is this logo, this stamp, this certification, high-res audio. And these got the improvements earlier this year, like right before the summer. And I'm unsure if these are still the only ones that are high-res certified. But even if you would find another pair that are high-res certified, Apple are not, they're going to be much more expensive. So let me do the unboxing a little bit closer. So let's see what's in the box. This was yet another, not Kickstarter, but Indiegogo thing, which is sort of the same as Kickstarter. You can usually find the same products on both sides. But I've seen videos of them and everything seems like really promising. The case looked cool and this noise cancelling high-res. Oh yeah, the earbuds or earplugs, the rubber things, are from a material that is 99.8 bacteria proof or whatever they call it. And that makes me wonder, why doesn't every headphone company make their earplugs out of that material? So here we have the case that is absolutely smaller than I expected, which is good, of course. Some paper, instruction book, etc. The packaging is really luxurious. Traveling bag, sack of bags. So everything feels really good. So far so good. And then we have the earbuds. Yeah, looks cool. Looks really design. Not your boring basic earpods look like. So if I remember correctly, that was nice. They are magnetic. That was really nice. If I remember correctly, you charge the headphones 1 hour, the case 2 hours. You can fast charge it for 15 minutes, I believe, which gives you 2 hours of listening. When they are fully charged with active noise cancelling activated, you have 7 hours of listening, and together with the case that totals 18 hours. And without noise cancelling, It's 9 hours and yeah, I don't know, maybe 25 hours or something in total. This was cool. So let's try them on. As you should know by now, with all these earbuds, it's very important that you find the right size for you. Otherwise, you will lose the bass. They feel a lot more comfortable than they look. They do, actually. I am positively surprised. I am. So they have their own app, of course, which probably have equalizer and everything, and where you can program it, etc., etc. But as I said, I don't want this video to be the review. I want your help. I have 2 of them. So let me know. I don't need to open it. Let me know why you think that you should help me out with this review. And I am also curious about your experience with headphones. What are you upgrading from? I don't want to hate on anything, but if you go from like Wish AirPods copies for $20, I'm not. I'm no need of your experience of these. So if you have perhaps AirPods Pro, that would be a good reference. So boring video, strictly unboxing. I want to do a real review with your help. So I'm gonna have this set. You're gonna have this. So you will get my humble pro experience and with your daily amateur experience. Thanks for watching. Share this video, comment, subscribe, and let me know why you are going to help me out with these. And then of course you can keep them after we are done, of course. So these are yours. Thanks for watching so far.